Big size for this land. You can even go over.
Ever tried? These feet ever tried? Thickest one I've tried.
Now I can go to work on this tree. I feel like my chain is a little dull. I should be slicing through this like butter. Yeah, I feel like my chain is a little dull and possibly could use some more oil. But I'm gonna finish this cut. Excuse me, y'all. I'm gonna finish this cut and keep it going for now. I always wear safety goggles, and I should have on a helmet, but I don't have a helmet on. Yep, chain locked. So I need oil. See? That's just a matter of a quick adjustment. But that's something that I'll have to fix and then come back. Alright, so here we go. Time to clean this chainsaw. I'm just gonna basically get some of this debris out of there. Tell you, I put that bug spray on, and I don't know how effective it is. I still got lit up by those mosquitoes. They're still flying around me right now. And this is all caked up in here. You can tell I haven't wiped this out in quite a while. Look at all of that, just dirt. Sawdust. Because I don't put my chainsaw in the dirt. I learned my lesson the hard way. But it sure looks like it turned into dirt. But it's just sawdust. Get as much of that out as I can. Probably would be better if I had like a little brush or a little tool to get in there and scrape everything out, but I don't think that's absolutely necessary. Just want to get the bulk of that stuff out of there and put my chain back together. Okay. So when you're changing your chain, the blade here gives you an indication of how to change it and which way you want your chain to go. So you have a little icon here that basically lets you know the hooks are going to be facing downward into the blade, and you have your little chain links up top, and it's going to be facing this way. It's going to go on your blade. Whoops. Yeah, it's going to go on your blade here. Like so. And the back of the chain is going to wrap around this wheel. Okay. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to line our chain up with the teeth down inside the grooves of the blade here. Not too hard. Get the chain around the wheel. Now what I want to do is start to tighten the chain up. This right here. There we go. Please forgive the beginner, guys. But as I'm learning, hopefully we all can learn. Alright, so we're going to get that chain around there first. Yeah, get it right back on there. There you go. Get on there good. Yep. Loosen that up just a little bit. Alright, so that's on there. Now let's try to tighten this up. I think that's as tight as that's going to go. Chain's on there pretty good. Bring that out, so bring it in some, I should say. As you turn it to the right, it extends the blade. I do want some play in the blade, in the chain link. So I'm not going to tighten it 100%. I think that's as far as it wants to go anyway. And as you turn it to the left, it brings this forward so that you get more slack in the chain. All right, so let's see what we got now. Good to go. Cover it back. And again, as you can see, no tools needed. Just have to line everything up. Just screws back in place. Tighten that down. And now I'm going to add some oil to it. So the oil chamber is right here. Basically just lift that up, twist, and pull, and you can add some oil. So I use bar and chain oil, and it's Power Care. It's not really a name brand, but basically just got it from Home Depot. And I put a little bit too much. It's going to overflow a little bit, but that's okay. It's ready to go. Put this back. Catch some of that overflow. Make sure it's in all the way. Snap it back down, and you're ready to go. So I just wiped out the chain area, the chain and blade area. Took the chain off, put the chain back on, put some oil in it, and this is ready to go. This is your safety. When that's popped forward, the chain won't start. When that's clicked back, it's ready to go. Chainsaw is good to go. Ready for me to come out here and cut down some more trees. So a lot of people complain about leakage, although I just did this, but one of the things you can do to help prevent leakage is this is gravity fed. So decide where you put the oil. If you store it like this, it's probably going to leak. If you turn it up and you store it like this, it's less likely to leak. Alright, so I'm good. I'm done for the night. I'm going to sweep off my porch, call it a night. It's time to make the Maghrib prayer, and have a good night. Peace. Enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Simple Way Farmstead.